$1,000 in side hustle profit is either a rounding error or your ticket to permanent financial freedom. Most people treat this initial capital like play money, burning it on ads or cheap inventory, while the top 1% use it as a foundation for a compounding machine. We are not gambling on volatile day trading today. We are building a systematic engine that converts your extra labor into long term wealth, starting with one specific, ignored pivot that separates the people who work for money from the people whose money works for them. Grab a glass of water, sit back, and let's get into the mechanics of building your empire from the ground up. The first thing you need to realize is that a side hustle is not just a way to pay the bills. It is a venture capital firm with only one investor, you. Think about my friend Elena. She started a small graphic design business in 1022, working just 10 hours a week on top of her full time job. In the first 6 months, she cleared $3,000. Instead of upgrading her phone or buying a new wardrobe, she took that cash and moved it into a low cost total stock market index fund. That is the easy win. You don't need to be a Wall Street analyst to start. By simply opening a brokerage account and automating your deposits the moment your side hustle pays out, you bypass the psychological friction of spending that money on liabilities. You aren't just saving, you are shifting your identity from a consumer to an owner. A report from the Bureau of Economic Analysis showed that individuals who prioritize capital allocation over immediate consumption improve their net worth by an average of 12% more over a 5-year horizon. It is boring, it is simple, and it works every single time. You aren't gambling here. You are buying a slice of the global economy. Okay, so that is the baseline. But what if you want to accelerate the process? That brings us to our second point, the leverage of tax-advantaged accounts. If your side hustle is a legal business entity, like a sole proprietorship or a limited liability company, you have access to tools that the average W-2 employee is never taught to use. I am talking about the SCEP individual retirement arrangement. It allows you to contribute up to 25% of your self-employed net earnings into a retirement account. Let that sink in. By sheltering that income from current taxes, you are effectively letting the government subsidize your investment growth. It is essentially free capital that you would have otherwise handed over to the Treasury. When you scale your side hustle to make $5,000 of profit and you shield that money from taxes while it grows tax deferred, you are outperforming the market before you even pick a single stock. This requires more paperwork and a slightly better understanding of your margins, but the impact is massive. If you find this approach helpful, hit that subscribe button. I drop deep dive strategies like this every week to help you manage your capital. Now, here is where things get interesting. We've covered the discipline of automatic investing and the efficiency of tax advantaged accounts, but most people stop there. They rely on the market to do all the heavy lifting. They wait decades for compound interest to turn their modest side hustle cash into a retirement nest egg. But what if you could take the money from your side hustle and use it to acquire an asset that generates its own cash flow? This is the one I have been saving for you. It is called active asset acquisition. Instead of buying a stock that pays a 2% dividend, you use your side hustle money to buy a micro-dash SaaS application, a newsletter with a steady subscriber base, or even a small content site. Let's say your side hustle generates $1,500 a month. Instead of just putting it in an index fund, you save for 6 months and buy a small website that earns $300 a month. You have just created a secondary income stream that is not tied to your time. Now, your original side hustle is paying for a digital asset that pays you while you sleep. The math here is staggering. In 3 years, you could own a portfolio of 5 or 6 small digital assets. Even if each one only makes a few $100, you have created a self-sustaining ecosystem. It is the difference between being a passenger in the economy and being the driver. Most people are too scared to take this leap because they think it's complex. It isn't. It's just business. Once you see it this way, you can't unsee it. Your side hustle isn't a grind. It's a factory for buying freedom. You start by investing in the market to build your floor. You use tax-advantaged accounts to protect your ceiling. And you finish by buying cash-flowing assets to build your own private engine of wealth. This isn't theoretical. I have watched people start with nothing but a laptop and a few hours of free time on Saturday mornings. Within 3 years, they had transitioned from an hourly wage earner to a portfolio owner. The barrier isn't the economy. The barrier is the lack of a plan. Now you have the plan. You know how to start, how to scale, and how to buy your own way out of the rat race. There is no magic trick, just the steady, relentless application of these 3 principles. If you got value from this, share it with someone who is currently grinding away at a side hustle but doesn't know where to put their money. Subscribe so you don't miss the next deep dive into financial sovereignty. I've got something coming next week about the specific types of digital assets that hold their value even in a bear market. You won't want to miss that. Until then, keep building. Your future self is already thanking you for what you do today. Think about the possibilities. You're just one systematic shift away from an entirely different life. It's not about how much you earn, it's about what you do with what you earn. Take that first step today. It's the most important one you'll ever take. It is amazing how fast the momentum builds once you see that first account statement go green. Stay focused on the horizon. The work you put in now is the foundation for everything that comes next. Keep pushing, keep investing, and I will see you in the next one.